Hello everybody and welcome back to another video where today we are getting ready to go in the fields. We're gonna run some corn, hopefully a lot of corn, and yeah, we're gonna start out by we gotta move this wagon here behind me and get that out of the way. It's the wagon we were dumping into with the grain cart and running into the grain cleaner and then into the auger and up into the bin. This bin should be completely empty now. It was transferring. I believe they finished transferring early yesterday. Yeah, she's empty for the most part. You always got that little pile in the middle that doesn't go anywhere, but that's fine. So yeah, this is what I was talking about yesterday. These sweeps, they're like little augers and they pull evenly. They rotate around the bin and they pull evenly the corn into the center and up that vertical auger. And there's that little spreader on top of the vertical auger, and it can spread it out, or you got the two transfer augers that you can transfer corn out into your bins. This bin is completely empty. That bin's empty because we got a few of these rings. A ring is, all the bolts border one ring, so we got rings that are rusting out worse than that one, so we just don't trust this bin right now. So one other thing we got to do is go up and shut that center door that I was talking about yesterday up there, or the other day, sorry, and then we got to get stuff moved. We got to pull the tarp off the screenings pile, and other than that, put the head on the combine and get everything started up and warming up. I think the grain cart needs some fuel. But yeah, I'm gonna go start the skid loader, get it warmed up so we can move this wagon. We cleaned up the big pile of screenings here because we got a lot more corn than what we ran to get that pile, so I wanted to have a wide open area to pile it, and I just put it in the barn on our existing feed pile. We're ready over here. Dad's over. I think he plugged in the combine. I think the truck is running. I think that's what all the exhaust is rolling out of the barn. Yeah, he's just now getting ready to start the combine up. I saw him climb up the ladder. Truck's running. He put fuel additive in the tank since it's cold out. Diesel 911, I believe it is. And I'm gonna run up and check over the grain cart, and we're gonna get that started up. Wait for the combine to warm up. We're gonna put the head on it, pull it in front of the shop, grease it, and The engine and everything have already been checked over, so that's ready. The truck's running and warming up, so we are basically ready to go. We just gotta wait for Dad to get back from town with a bucket of oil. Alright, so we got the combine over by the shop. So our next task is we're gonna pull the truck out of the barn and pull it around to the auger when Dad gets back. We'll start emptying the truck, hopefully, and or Uncle Billy, whoever gets back first. Alright, we got everything greased up. Went through and checked all the wedges on the sprockets, make sure they're all tight. Don't ask me why I know to do that. Just say we've lost a couple of sprockets in the past. And the cart's ready to go. So I think we're running the cart down and then Dad's giving me a ride back up and I have no idea what we're doing after that. Should have put the mud flaps on. Alright guys, so a little bit of time has passed now. We started emptying the truck and I think it's empty now. And I came down here with the combine in the field we're in now. I'm hopping in the grain cart. I'm gonna catch up with him after I get him unloaded. I'm gonna put up the drone and hopefully get some good footage. And this video will have some drone footage in it, hopefully. So. Alright, so we're unloading the first 2 combine dumps into the truck. Each truck gets 3, and then he's taking the truck back up to the farm. I'm having so much trouble staying in a straight line in this field. It is super muddy, so I decided instead of filling the cart all the way up, I'm gonna dump it with 2 dumps in it, because there's no way I can move if I have a full truckload on this.